Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're creating your first actionable list now. Open Reminders and tap Plus New List. Name it clearly so you find it fast. Choose an icon and color to visually categorize. If you want syncing, make sure iCloud for Reminders is enabled in Settings under your Apple ID so items appear on other devices. Once done, tap your new list and press New Reminder to enter a task. Use concise titles and add quick notes to explain the what and why of each item. Now focus on building useful reminders with details. Tap any reminder to add notes or a URL and create subtasks for multi-step items. This helps break bigger tasks into clear actions. Set date and time, add a repeat pattern for recurring tasks, or enable location alerts so reminders trigger when you arrive or leave a place. Make sure to assign priority if you need sorting. You can also use Siri or the share sheet to capture items quickly without typing. Finish by keeping lists organized and verifying completion. Mark tasks done with a tap or swipe, move items between lists for better flow, and create smart lists to group reminders by date, flagged status, or custom filters so you see priorities at a glance. Make sure notification settings allow reminders alerts. If syncing or alerts fail, try toggling iCloud reminders off and on in settings, then restart the iPad. That resolves most sync oddities. If needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.